Okay, everyone, and welcome to the midweek market wrap up for Stats Edge Trading. Once again, if you are new here, my name is Michael Nauss. I'm a quantitative trader and a chartered market technician. So, every week, what we do is we go through just the equity markets, crypto markets, try to feel what's going to happen for the rest of the week. And all of that leads to a live stream, which I do each weekend. If you're interested in anything that you see here in terms of software, you just want to learn more about me, link is in the description below or my bio. So let's immediately get into it here. We're going to start with Bitcoin. A nice bullish trend trade. I was basically looking at this as a bear flag for the longest time. Looked like it broke above that and it's starting to base. This blue line is the anchored VWAP from all-time highs. So where the average market participant is from all-time highs, and that's doing very well. So we're well above that there. If we continue to base and push higher, that's the kind of notes I made for the Stats Edge Pro members. It would be a nice bull flag. If we can just get a few more days like this and then a breakout, I think that would be fantastic. Into the individual cryptos, Helium is something that I can't seem to find on Kraken where I trade. But I really like this chart, so if I could buy it on Kraken, I probably would, as long as we can get above this level. You can just see this support and resistance zone we've been holding for a long time. Looks like we might be breaking downtrend, so in my opinion, worth a little shot there. Sand, USD. Really like the look of this one. I'm watching this one to see if it can just break above this zone right here. Like the look of that one, same kind of a play, big long support area that held. Downtrend looks like it could be breaking. Now, ApeCoin, I really don't know what this one does. I know a lot of people have been making fun of it, but I really don't care. I'm interested in trading. I'm interested in buying things that I think might go higher, and that's it. So if this one can kind of break and hold above this about $14 area, I'm interested in that guy. The S&P 500, so that's where the title of this comes with the FOMO Rally. That's what I think is going on here, is everybody was so scared down here at 420, and then we had this big push up. You can see this other shaded zone I have here. That was an area of support and resistance I thought we would struggle with. We might still be. We had a rally above it yesterday, and then we sold off under it again today. But I think, personally, on any pullback, there is quite the potential to be buyers in here, simply because a lot of people, they're going to have that FOMO, that fear of missing out. They're like, man, I should have bought right here where it was at support, and we spent, weeks at this 420 area. I didn't. Now, if it pulls back, let me get into some. That's just my thinking. If the market proves me wrong, I will change. Another interesting ETF is this bull flag that's happening on energy. There's been a series of bull flags. We've had one here that resolved higher. We had a bigger one here that resolved higher. Even back here, we had one that resolved higher. So the trend on this one is still up until proven otherwise. So I'm just watching these highs in through here. Two individual equity names that I'm looking at, CHKP. This one's just got this nice kind of bull flag type of pattern, big strong push up. This has something to do with Israeli shipping software. I don't know, but I really like the look of that one. And then DAC, and this one's just a pure play shipping company. $100 broke, it was resistance here, and then it was support back here. So if this one can get going, I just love the risk reward of maybe picking this one up over like 104, 105, and then I'm wrong under 100. And I'm just the kind of guy that's the only thing I care about is, what's my risk? Can I make more of that when I'm right? Can I be right over 50% of the time? And then everything just kind of follows after that. So, as always, none of this is investment advice, but if you're interested in learning more of this, you can come over to www.statsedgetrading.com, and I'll see you there.